Hog Island has my favorite grilled oyster. It's smoky, sweet, slightly spicy, and insanely delicious.
And they say if you want to glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning guns. Would you follow me to wonders? Take my hand and walk beside me in a world.
Before opening the oyster, first we need to clean them under the cold water using a scrub brush. To open the oyster, you can hold by one hand and making sure the flat side is up. Now, wiggle the knife tip into the hinge. Twist the knife back and forth like turning a key in a lock until the shell pops open. Or you can put oyster on a towel. Once the shell is popped open, run the blade against the top of the shell all the way through to cut the muscle holding the shells together. After cleaning out the shell pieces, then cut the bottom muscle holding the oyster and shell together. I'm flipping the oyster here to make a better presentation. Even though the oyster may look similar in size, but the thickness can be very different. The thicker the oyster, the meatier it is.
Would you follow me to wonders? If you're everything that matters to me, makes me wonder.
Now you have gathered all the ingredients, then put them in a medium bowl and mix them well. Here you can form a log, which is easy to use, or you can store the butter in a bowl and use a spoon to scoop it out.
Me this way. I find it hard to not give in.
The butter can be used in many ways and can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 5 weeks.